Hey, good morning. Andy Farmer here, Eastern North Carolina. I want to do a video walkthrough on this 251 Grady-White Coastal Explorer. I've got the bow cushions up here. You can tell it's got the optional cushion for the bow table here that extends the leg room on the console seat. The cushions up on the bow, going around, got see 4 cup holders, 6 cup holders up here, 6 rod holders, storage down below, some pull-out drawers here. Really a ton of storage. This table also can go forward and fill this in as well if you wanted this seat cushion to turn this area into a sun pad. Freshwater spigot over there. Around the side, gel coat's in good shape. I've got a little bit of the paint peeling behind the window. That's an issue for folks. I've seen them pull this off and repaint that behind. A little bit of pitting up on the powder coating, nice blue color up top. Got your life jacket storage bag up top. Leaning post, cushions are in great shape there. And then your cushions along the back are in good shape. Painted Yamaha, the tow arch, and power pole, shallow water anchor. But it also has a wash down, your freshwater flush for your engines over here. Then on the port side, you've got another outlet where you plug in to shore power and charge your batteries. Get a shot of the console here, Garmin display. Your Yamaha engine monitor up there, trim tabs, very well laid out console, electronics box up top, VHF radio. Let me get a shot down here. You got a portable head, plenty of room in the console. Coming over, nice shine to the gel coat. Up to the top, back around the sides here. Cushions, boat's in great shape. Exterior and interior. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Let me know if you have any questions with it. My name's Andy Farmer. I work with MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. The best way to reach me is my cell, 910-264-4818. 910-264-4818. Call or text there. Fusion stereo too. I don't mention that. We came across the console before. Very nice. 251 Coastal Explorer Grady-White. Give us a shout. Thanks.